it's Megan again here on the Lawson Farm. Hope everybody's doing good. If you're wondering what to do with those fresh strawberries that are starting to go bad, getting a little soft, well, I'm going to show you today. We're going to make a strawberry cobbler. Absolutely delicious and super easy. Super easy. Y'all know I wouldn't do it if it wasn't easy. The first thing you're going to need is about a cup of fresh strawberries in your little pan here. And I'm just going to cut the tops off. That piece was pretty little, so I'm not going to cut it up very much. Just cutting the tops off my strawberries. Cutting them kind of into bite-sized pieces. And I've already washed these beforehand too, just by the way. Just cutting them up about like that. Alright, so I got me about a cup of fresh strawberries there. Now I need a cup of sugar. Cup of water. Alright. Now we're going to put this on medium-high heat until our sugar dissolves. While our strawberries are cooking, we're going to go ahead and make our batter. So what I have is a cup of self-rising flour. You'll need a cup of sugar, a cup of milk, a half a stick of melted butter. Alright. Then you're just going to whisk all that together. The batter is pretty thin, so that's normal. That's what you're looking for. And you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Alright. So then I'm going to take my 8x8 pan. I've already sprayed it with nonstick spray. I like to do them in an 8x8 because it makes them thicker. And I like the thick bread. If you want them thinner, you can do it in a 9x13. Some people like thin cobblers, some people like thick cobblers. I just happen to be one that likes the thick. So we're going to put it in an 8x8 dish. We're going to pour that in there. Alright. Then we're going to take our strawberry mixture. You're going to pour juice, strawberries, and all in there, and we're not going to stir it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take our strawberries and scatter them throughout our pan. Because like I said, we're not going to stir it. We're just going to try to make sure we got strawberries in every corner. Oh, little strawberry. There we go. Alright. So now we're going to put this into our preheated oven. It usually takes it about 45 minutes to get done. Alright, so my cobbler cooked exactly 45 minutes and it's a beautiful golden brown. Let's see if I can show y'all here. See there? Looks great. I'm going to cut a piece off so y'all can see what it looks like on the inside. And it's going to be a little runny because it's still really hot. So, just show y'all here. The longer it sits, the more it cools. It will thicken up a little bit. But I look forward to digging into this. It's going to be good, y'all. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a little something. Don't forget you can get my cookbook on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. And follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And that's all I got today. So anyways, talk to y'all next time.